Welcome back to the channel. It's Water Rush. I am out here today with the Begode Blitz Pro, the Begode Race, and guess what, guys? It's wheel day. Guess what we got here? It's a big, massive box. We have a nice little addition to the channel, and yeah, without further ado, let's see what this is all about. I got a little knife here. Jump right in. I've been so excited to get my hands on this. It took a couple months to get delivered from China because it was not in stock in the warehouse. But that's okay. I noticed lately on the Begode chat, service chat, that there are a lot of people complaining about how long it takes for their wheels to arrive. And some of them are just completely unhinged, I have to say. And I kind of am not surprised that Begode is having a hard time answering all of these requests. People should just be aware that it takes some time to ship a hazardous material shipment in this size and weight from China. And especially with all the things happening in the world right now, things can take a little bit longer. But Begode always comes through. You just have to be patient and give them a chance. And with all that anticipation, when your wheel finally shows up, it's like Christmas. So what do you guys think this is? It's a big, massive box. Let's find out, huh? Oh, I'm so excited. So, we've got the standard Begode manual with all the different wheels and specs. I actually kind of like how they do this. Another sheet of stickers. I have so many of them right now. I'll have to check and see if they're different or if they're all the same. We have a certificate of conformity. Looks like we've got a little tool and a little Allen key. So, the standard gear for Begode wheel shipments. So, what do we have here? Let's find out. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys. Wow, here it is in real life. I can't believe it. Look at this massive clanker, guys. Looks like it was well packaged. So, I guess it's time to give it away. This is the Begode Panther. Massive, massive 22-inch wheel. So this is going to be a nice cruiser. Let's see if we can get this out of here. I think this wheel weighs like, what, 55 kilograms, more or less? 56? I don't know. Oh, it's heavy. So I think I'm going to tilt the box a little bit sideways and just pull it out. Okay, here we go. So here we got some power cables, the European Schuko, and we got the American one, the 3-prong. Ooh! Look at it, guys. Here it is in real life. The Begode Panther. Wow. You just have to appreciate it for a second. It's such a nice looking wheel. And size of it, my goodness. It's massive. Very, very heavy. Got the horn in there. Okay. Nice. Looks like the kickstand is nice and solid. Let's see what else comes in this box. So we've got a stock set of Begode pads. Which, hey, am I missing? No, it's on the ground here. They're very nice because you can kind of twist them and put them however you like. But I will probably end up putting the same Begode pads on there. Get those from Next Gen. Is there a charger? I don't believe I see a charger. I hope it's in the box on the bottom. Okay, here's the charger, guys. It's on this side. I was kind of worried for a second. So it's kind of hidden down here in the bottom wheel piece. Curious what we got, if it's the same as the other one that I have for the Blitz Pro. So this is 168 volts, 5 amps. It's exactly the same as the Blitz Pro one, so it's gonna be nice because I have 2 stock chargers that I can use on the Begode Panther, right? So we'll set this guy aside. And then here we got the power cable. Looks like it's, yeah, the standard 3-prong one here. Cool. Very, very exciting. My friend Lord Begode, huge shout out to him for helping me get the hands on this wheel. He also ordered one, which I accepted the shipment, and he doesn't know it yet, but it's sitting over here at my house. So if you're watching this video, come get your wheel. Get all this stuff out before the wind blows it away. And then we'll check this wheel out. What do you guys say? So what do we have here? Oh, these are springs. Check it out. I wonder what's up with that. I hope I don't have to install any springs in this wheel. Or do any work on the suspension. Interesting. So we got this shock. And we have this shock. Very cool. I'll have to check out and see what this is all about. It's so massive. Whoa! I hope I don't have to lift this up the stairs somewhere. I think they said the package was going to be 62 pounds. The FedEx driver was extremely happy when I pulled up to receive the wheels, because there were 2 of them on deck. Now let's see if we can find the button. Everybody's been saying that it's hard to find. Oh my goodness. It's way in there, yeah. The buttons are way, way, way in there. I have to take my glove off. Okay, okay. So the wheel turns on, that's great. Now, of course, we gotta keep up the tradition and put our patch on this wheel, huh? Building Better Worlds, Covenant, Wayland, Utah. So we're gonna... all of these wheels are geared up. We got the Nostromo here. And then we got this one here, so now they're all rocking in style. Let's see if I remember how to turn off this transport mode. As you can see, you pick the wheel up, it doesn't engage, right? So, what was it? Hold one button. And then turn it off. Turn it on. Okay, it was the wrong order. There you go. So now I gotta turn the wheel off and turn the wheel on. And you can see it's already not beeping at me. And here it is, ready to go. Very, very nice, guys. So impressive. This wheel is equipped with a 4,400 watt-hour battery. It's a 168 volt system. Don't ask me exactly how many watts the motor has. I think it's 5,000. I'll put it in the description for you guys. And it's a 22-inch hot melt street tire, which I got those on the other wheel also, and I love it so much. But now that fall season is coming, I'm gonna end up putting a knobby tire on the Blitz Pro, which that's going to be my go-to wheel for most situations every day. And then I got the race here for, you know, just kind of novelty fun around town. And then we got this guy here. This is going to be our cruiser. I think it should be able to get me anywhere on the peninsula. Should have massive range, huh? So the kickstand's really nice and solid. I like it. And check out the back. Ooh! I really, really like this little light system that they put here. It's very, very impressive, very nice. From the construction, it reminds me a lot of the race, just like it's a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna have to dive in. It's got this plastic here, which some people like it and some people don't, but I think it just gets the job done, and if you need to replace it, you can do that cheaply. The trolley handle, yeah, they really weren't joking. They just put it here so they can say they put it, but better than no trolley handle. I mean, it's not that bad. It's okay. I want to find out if it's the same size trolley handle that they use on the race, which I have my suspicions that it is. But yeah. Oh my goodness, yeah, you gotta really get in there. Begode Panther, check it out. Such a good looking wheel. Well, I'm gonna get all my gear on and take it for a spin and get it charged up, and I'll report back a little bit later. See you soon.